Here we are with our number 4. Number 4, it was about functions. Then also we have number 5, then number 6. Let us start with number 4. Number 4 says, a function h is defined by that. Find the range of h if the domain is that. So that one is very easy. You just write in our solution, you write the function they are talking about. So, minus 2. Now, if this is the domain, now we need the range. You just get these values, you substitute them in this function. So the first value is negative 4. You put it here. Minus 2. And this one will give you 16 minus 2, which will give you a 14. Then when you come to this one, you have now h of negative 2. You put where it is y, we are substituting there. And square this, we get 4. Then we come to h of the next value, which is 0. Negative 2. Then lastly, come to this one. So this is going to be 9, which will give us 7. Therefore, our range is in their order. With is. So that was the way we had to handle number 4. When you come to number 5, it's about surds. So in the simple terms, the easiest was to first rationalize. So this will give us now, if I have this, I have 1 over root 5 plus 1 over root 20. You see these ones, the one that's express them in the form of a over b or root c. So we start by rationalizing this. This would be now multiplied by root 5, also root 5 up. This one multiplied by root 20, also root 20 up. Okay, that one will simplify now to, you know, root times that one. We have root 5 over, we said root 5 times root 5. We apply that property that root a times root a, we get a. So this times this, we shall get a 5. Then plus root 20 over a 20. So there you see that we try to express now this in this form. Is that there is a prime number inside here. You get this times this. Or you ask which square number is inside the set will be 4. So I can express 20 as 4 times 5. So that will be now 4 times 5. The whole over 20. Now here we say this is root 5 over 5 plus the square root of 4 is 2. The square root of 5 remains a third over 20. So that there our LCM is 20. 5 goes here 4 times. This we have now 4 root 5. Then plus this goes here 1 times. This we get 2 root 5. Now this will give us, we add these ones, we have 6 root 5 over 20, which we can simplify by 2, 3. Root 5 by 2, we get 10. And you see it's in the form of a b over b root c. So that's how we had to handle that question. Now we come to this one. I think it was very direct. A cone has a base radius 21. So we summarize. Our radius is 21. And the volume, so our volume is 5500 cubic centimeters. Find the height, calculate the height, the vertical height of the cone, given that pi equals to that. Of course, we all know how we get the volume. Volume is given by a third pi r squared h. That's how we get the volume of a cone. Now they are giving us this volume as 5,500 a third. Now they are giving us this pi as 22/7. We have now our radius here as, then times our h. So you see, this would be 5500. This would be 22. The all over 7 times 3, which is 21, times now our height. You see this one goes. If you make height the subject, you see we shall be having divide by 22 times 21, and we shall be having our height. Therefore, our height, you give it 4 decimal places. So they will be having I have 11.9048 centimeters. I show that I'm giving these 4 decimal places. That's how we're supposed to get that one. So that's it, members. Let us see now number 7 to 9.